Good morning, students. This is class 8 and this is my 14th video of English Literature, chapter 14, The Enchanted Pool. Today we will do exercises and question answer. Open your book, do in that, and then do in exercise book. So here we start. Our first exercise is fill the correct option. Number 1. Yudhishthir waited for his brothers in anxiety and thirst, hunger and thirst, none of these. Anxiety and thirst. Second, Dash is the friend of one who stays at home. Mother, wife, father. Option number B is the correct answer. Tick on that. Third, Dash accompanies a man in death. Wife, brothers, Dharma. Option number C is the correct answer. Tick on that. Dharma accompanies a man in death. Fourth, Dash makes on one real Brahman. Good conduct, worth learning. Good conduct makes one real Brahman. Exercise number B. Who said to whom? Was this to be the end of all our woes? किसने किससे कहा था? युधिष्ठिर to dead brothers. Your brothers died because they did not heed my words. Yaksh to Yudhishthir. Third, please ask your questions. Yudhishthir to Yaksh. Fourth, Dharma is only shield of man. Yudhishthir to Yaksh. Exercise number C. Fill in the blanks. Yudhishthir choose Nakul to his other brothers. Choose fill कर लीजिए. The pool was surrounded by green meadow. MEADOW. Fill कर लीजिए. Mind is dash than the wind. Swifter SWIFTER than the wind. The pool had clear water. फर्स्ट में चूज, सेकेंड में ग्रीन मेडो, थर्ड में स्विफ्टर, फोर्थ में हैड. फिल कर लीजिए. एक्सरसाइज नंबर डी. क्वेश्चन आंसर. वेयर डिड युधिष्ठिर गो एंड वाई? आंसर लिखिए. युधिष्ठिर वेंट. आंसर यहीं से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. युधिष्ठिर वेंट in search of his brothers. Yudhishthir went in search of his brothers because they had gone in search of water and had not yet returned. Yudhishthir went in search of his brothers because they had gone in search of water and had not yet returned. Question number 2. What did Yudhishthir do to see his brothers lying dead? Answer. When Yudhishthir saw his brothers lying dead. आंसर लिखना है. When Yudhishthir saw his brothers lying dead, he lifted his voice and wept. When Yudhishthir saw his brothers lying dead, he lifted his voice and wept. Why is mind described as swifter than the wind? Mind is described as swifter than the wind because it moves more rapidly than a wind. आंसर लिखिए. Mind is described as swifter than wind because it moves more rapidly than a wind. Fourth question है. How did Yudhishthir prove that he was impartial? Yudhishthir, आंसर नोट डाउन करिए. Yudhishthir proved that he was impartial when he chose Nakul in preference to Bhim and Arjun. Yudhishthir proved that he was impartial when he chose Nakul in preference to Bhim and Arjun. नेक्स्ट देखिए. आपका वोकेबुलरी पोर्शन से है. कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पे और आपको उनकी मीनिंग लिखनी है डिक्शनरी की हेल्प से. वो मीन्स प्रॉमिस, enchanted, affected by magic power, faint, not strong or clear, revive, back to life or consciousness, shield, a piece of equipment made of iron, wood or plastic. Shield, a piece of equipment made of iron, wood or plastic. मैच करना है आपको वर्ड्स को उनकी मीनिंग के साथ. सैक्रेड, हॉली, बियर, पुट अप विथ, solitary, sorrow, yield, gives, misfortunate, sorrow. Okay, once again I am repeating it. आप प्लीज एक करेक्शन कर लीजिए. सैक्रेड, हॉली, बियर, पुट अप विथ, solitary, lonely, yield, gives, misfortunate, sorrow. नेक्स्ट है, यूज द फॉलोइंग फ्रेजेस इन योर ओन सेंटेंसेस. लुक फॉर, they have to look for their books in the cupboard. Keep on, you keep on looking for the right answer. Ask for, the teacher asked for the exercise book. Wander about, they wandered about in the jungle. Given up, the parent had given up hope for their last child. Now our exercise is completed. You have to do it in your exercise book and notebook. So keep doing this. Bye bye, have a good day.